Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So draw two circles like this to make the face. Now we have to make its ears like this. Now we have to make the body, so draw its legs and hands like this and join the lines. Now you have to color it with the blue color and make the branches of the tree on which he is sitting, and it's ready. Next we'll be making a hedgehog, so you have to write 7 plus 2 on a sheet and then make its ears on the top. Join the lines like this. Draw the hairs of it like this. Now you have to make its eyes and nose. Now after that you can color it if you want. Make the cherries on the back of it like this and it's done. Next we have to write a 9. Now draw the ears of the kitty, make its eyes, nose and the mouth of it like this. Now after that you have to draw its body by making the legs of it and make a cute tail on the back. Now color it like this and then make the patterns over its body and then you have to fix it and it's done. Next you have to take the white sheet and draw two letter B like this and in the between make a carrot. So now we have to make the rabbits. So make the eyes, nose, ears, legs and hands of the rabbit like this. Now after that we have to make the hands and legs of the rabbit, make its tail and it's done. Next we have to draw the circles and the shape like this. Now after that you have to make the eyes, nose and the ears of the kitty. Now after that you have to make the tail and then make some patterns on its body like this. Make the linings and your kitty is ready. You can color it if you want, otherwise it's done. Next we have to make a bunny and the carrot. So take the black marker and draw the rabbit like this. Now after that you have to make the eyes, nose and mouth of the rabbit. Make its carrot. Now color it with the orange color and color the rabbit as well. And your bunny is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a white sheet and draw the circle like this. Now we have to make the ears of it on the sides. Now we have to make its eyes, nose and the mouth. Now draw its legs. Now make the legs, after that join the lines and then hold the paper in the between of the hands of it like this. Color it and it's done. Next, we'll be making a cute bunny. So make a body of it, make its ears like this. Make its eyes, nose and the mouth. Now after that draw its legs and hands as shown in the video. Now after that we have to make the carrot in its hand like this or the nut. And your squirrel is ready. Next we have to make the lines like this to make a cloud-like shape. Now draw the further lines like this and draw the dotted lines in the between of it. Now we have to make the face of the bunny like this. Make its ears, eyes, nose and then the hands like this. Color it and it's ready. Next, draw a circle. Make its ears like this. Now draw its eyes, nose and the mouth. Now we have to draw its hands and make a heart in the between. Now color it as per shown in the video. Make some hearts near it and it's ready. Next, make a monkey. So draw a circle and write a 22 digit. Now we have to write a 3 inside it to make its face. Make its eyes, nose and the mouth. Make its ears like this and then complete its body. Draw its hands and legs like this. Make its tail and then it's done. Thanks for watching our video.